My touch is anti-inflammatory, my presence is antiseptic, my feeling is antibiotic. That's why I'm a pharmacist. Well, I, Revati, will be your host for the day. It's my great pleasure and foremost duty on behalf of all pharmacists, I warmly welcome you to this beautiful program. I assure you that this program shall be full of exuberance and excitement as we create some beautiful memories for all of us. Days are not lost when memories are created. Where words live, music begins. I now call upon Ms. Divya to sing our invocation song, and let's join her. Request Mr. Dhananjay for welcome address.
Very good afternoon to one and all. Celebrate World Pharmacists Day to anticipate and encourage the performance and promotiveness and the role of pharmacists in ameliorating the health in every region of the world. We want to emphasize that pharmacists are the backbone of healthcare in many different settings. At this moment, first I would like to welcome our God Almighty to start this program successfully. I heartily welcome our store manager, Dr. Nagar sir, and other medical officers, Dr. Kiran, Dr. Divastri, Dr. Vinuta, and other medical staff, and welcome you sir and ma'am. I extend my sincere welcome to other department officials and paramedical associations, and welcome you sir. I heartily welcoming our store officials and other supporting staff. Welcome you all. I extend my profound gratitude to welcoming our senior pharmacy officers, senior pharmacist, junior pharmacist, and nursing orderlies with their unity support to celebrate this occasion. So welcoming our supporting staff, the housekeeping staff. Last but not least, I cordially inviting you all a happy World Pharmacist Day for this occasion. Thank you.
Welcome address. It's time to honor and offer a bouquet to our officers as a token of love and respect. I request Mr. Sendil, pharmacy officer, to offer a bouquet to our store's manager, Dr. Nagar. I request Mr. Udaykan, senior pharmacist, to offer a bouquet to Dr. Kiran, in charge set A and OPD. Request Mr. Sendil, pharmacy officer, to offer a bouquet to Dr. Divya, in charge set B and C stores, procurement of drugs and dressings, LPs and request Mr. Balaji, senior pharmacist, to offer a bouquet to Dr. Vinita, in charge surgical stores. Request Mr. Udaykan, senior pharmacist, to offer a bouquet to Mr. Suresh Rathur, general secretary, paramedical unit. I request Mr. Rashid, senior pharmacist, to offer a bouquet to Mrs. Premavati, vice president, paramedical unit. Light a lamp of happiness, light a lamp of kindness. No matter how little the light is, they can still light your world. I request stores manager to come forward for lamp lighting. I request ex-serviceman Mr. T.P. Padmanabhan and Mr. C. Palanigal together to come forward for lamp lighting. And I request others to join. request Mr. Murali, Senior Pharmacist, to offer bouquet to Mr. Manjunath Matthew. I call upon Mr. Shiv Prasad, Mr. Ravi, Mr. Nandakumar, Mrs. Gopika, Mr. Karthik, Mrs. Akshita, Mrs. Saumya, and Mr. Jahi for all. I request Mr. Sandil S., Pharmacy Officer, to present on the theme for World Pharmacists Day 2020.
World Pharmacists Day theme is Pharmacy United in Action for a Healthier World. Actually, the International Pharmaceutical Federation has established a Pharmacist Day, World Pharmacist Day in September 25th, 2009. Why Pharmacist Day is celebrated? The pharmacist ensures the supply of medicines is within the law. So, doctor is prescribing and the patient comes to the counter and drugs are prescribed. No. The prescription is first scanned by the pharmacist himself or herself. He scans the prescription, actually for what purpose the patient has come, and the drugs is prescribed or correctly or not, strength is prescribed, dosage, frequency. So everything this will be done by the doctor, no doubt. But as a pharmacist, he has to explain or she has to explain all the things how to take. Before number 4, the patient is 65 years. He has been prescribed Tresiba. 11 cartridges has been prescribed. This plays an important role. So whether actually this is required or not. Whether Tresiba is required for him, but the quantity what they are prescribed. 30, 25, how much is the mathematical skills? The pharmacist also implementing them. So whatever the physician prescribe blindly, the pharmacists are not issuing the drug. How can a pharmacist improve healthcare? So first of all, he has to increase the awareness among the patient. You know, sugar patient first patients will behave and how they will adhere to our communication. With the doctor to give a better health care. Then World Pharmacist Day, let's pay our pharmacists their due wishes and salute them for helping patients. And also, I love my profession. Whenever the pharmacists love their profession, the profession will uplift. Whether the organization will uplift you or not, the profession what you dedicatedly, devotedly and honestly and sincerely, the way you go upon with your profession, the profession will uplift you. Thank you, Ananda. Wish you all a happy World Pharmacist.
I now request Toast Manager to share a few words with us.
25th September is celebrated as World Pharmacists. On this occasion, first I would like to wish all our pharmacy colleagues happy World Pharmacists Day. This small gathering is catering to 3,000 people, 3,000 IPs every day. Imagine, we have at least 200 to 2,000 to 2,200 OPD patients we have, above 500 IPs we have, over that many state patients, SST patients, so many of them. They are catering to them every day. Such a small gathering, but huge work there. Their work is definitely commendable. Now, 2 people to be remembered on this day. One is William Proctor, who is also known as a father of pharmacists. See, this man has contributed a lot to world pharmacy. He has opened a lot of any more educational things he has done. He is basically from America, who opened pharmacy colleges. He started many journals, international journals. When it comes to India, we are not far less than anybody else. Mahadev Lal Shroff, dedicated pharmacist who struggled to become a pharmacist. Then later on, what he did was, he started a college of pharmacists in India. First person to start college of pharmacy in Bihar. and later on he became principal of Pilani College of Pharmacy. It is one of the prestigious colleges, as you all know. Pilani started greatest colleges. He was the first person to start Indian Journal of Pharmacists. My tenure is very short, but I have seen really good work from this team, pharmacy team in our hospital. Really, their work is commendable and appreciable to them. Hats off to all my pharmacy colleagues. I would like to wish them all the best and keep their good work going on in this hospital. I'll always remember this team whenever I go outside and see the crowd in front of OPD. I said, really, these people are really working hard. That's what I can see. Thank you all very much. I wish you all the best on this World Pharmacists Day. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your motivational words. Your words will definitely create a positive change among us. I now request Mr. Suresh Rathod to share a few words with us.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ, ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಾಗರ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ವಿನೋತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಸುಸೈಡ್ ಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಿಂತ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ನಿಯತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರ ಬಂದ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ರಜೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಬಂದವನಿಗೆ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಇತ್ತ ಕಾಫ್ ಸಿರಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಜ್ವರ ಇತ್ತ PCT ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಲಾರ್ದೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಸನ್ಮುಖಿ ಸದಾ ಸುಖಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಗಂಟು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇರಬೇಡಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಖುಷಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ESI ಅಂತೂ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಯತಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿನೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅತಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟು. ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟನು, ಏನಯ್ಯ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ, ನಾನು IP ಕಣಯ್ಯ, ನನ್ನ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಕಣಯ್ಯ, ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಏನ್ರಿ IP ಜೊತೆ ಆ ಥರ ನಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ IP AP ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ವಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ವಾ, ನಗ್ನಂತಾನೆ ಅವರು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ನರ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವೀಸು ನಮ್ಮ IP APಗಳಿಗಿರಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ನಿರಂತರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ, ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ನಾನು 2 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ.
One and all were gathered here, and I wish you all happy World Pharmacist Day on this occasion. All the pharmacists are giving their full efforts and time to do your work. Today is very strenuous morning, 9:30 to 4:30 without a break, and continuously addressing IPs. I know so many issues you will face every day, but still all are doing a very wonderful work, and you all form the pillars of stores. So I wish you all to continue the same hard work and support. Thank you all, and once again happy birthday.
I wish happy World Pharmacist Day to all my dear friends, and indeed it's a wonderful occasion. I know personally, having been with you for last few days, how important and how truly you deserve all the appreciation that everybody has expressed. And personally, having seen, you all deserve even more. That's tremendous. What you do out there in the OPD is tremendous work. Got the opportunity to work with you, and have you all the best again. And once again, wish you a very happy World Pharmacist Day.
Happy World Pharmacist Day to all of you. It's a very short period I have started working in stores, but in all these 13 years of my service in ESIC, I had seen the other part of the stores, where you were overworked, where you were so facing stressful days every day. I had seen. But after coming here, I started seeing the other part, that is only dispensing. That's very important, but still the other part where there is procurement, maintenance of stocks, issual and all. it's even more cumbersome, being so understaffed, still maintaining everything, and still getting the next day started with the same enthusiasm. And thanks for all the support. Happy World Pharmacist Day once
It's
again.
time for some outstanding and spontaneous volunteer speech. Can we have volunteers here?
I'm very proud to be working as a pharmacist. And I think everyone knows the story of Dronacharya and Pandavas. Dronacharya is teaching archery. Most enthusiastic and most dedicated person in the Pandavas is everyone knows. Who is that? Arjuna. Right? Okay, Arjuna is doing something at night in the dark. And Dronacharya has observed, asked Arjuna, what are you doing? Arjuna replied, sir, I am practicing archery. No, I know that, but why this time? So Arjuna has replied, sir, sometime when I am eating, suddenly the candle has been off, but still I can eat properly without spilling the food out of the plate. Then why can't I learn archery even in dark? So with that dedication, Arjuna has become the favorite student of Dronacharya. The other part of the story everyone knows. So Arjuna keeps his focus on the target. Now, in the healthcare sector, treatment of a disease by medicines requires targeting the disease site. So this targeting not just requires a final product, it requires the basement, that is the research, development and formulation. Only then medicine can be designed that targets the particular disease causing agent. Here Arjuna is targeting the exact target, that is the eyes of the bird. So in the same manner, pharmacists are doing productive works to target a disease causing agents, so that they can target only the disease causing agents. But of course, we cannot avoid 100% side effects from drugs, but at least they ensure that targeting of a disease causing agent is prominent. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Come to the concluding part of Pharmacist Day celebration. I request Mr. Senthil to share a vote of thanks with us.
So we come to the conclusion of today's World Pharmacist Day celebration program. I thank our stores in charge and store medical officers and our pharmacists, our colleagues, staffs, everybody for making this occasion a good one. And I thank our electrical maintenance department who have made the arrangements, and I thank the students who came here and for making this program a memorable one. Our medical officers and our staffs for providing their time, valuable time, even after the closing hours, to make this program a memorable one. And I thank Rathod sir for coming here and congratulating it on the World Pharmacist. Thank you one and all for making this occasion a memorable one. Thank you one and all.